If you got that talent, come to show and tell. Talent, if you got skills, if you got talent, and you want showcase, come to show and tell.
So firstly, I'll be going with my butter
If you got talent,
because I have to fry it. I have to build the front before making the pasta.
if you got skills, if you got talent, if you want showcase it, come to show and tell. Come to show and tell. Show and tell. Show and tell. You could
So
be
this is already marinated prawns. I'll be going in with the prawns now.
winner. Come to show and tell.
So I'm going to be grilling this prawns for a bit. So while that is filling, I'll be adding a little bit of spices to it. I'll go in with a little bit of this is garlic, already shredded garlic. Then this is my seasoning cube.
If you got that
The
talent,
prawns actually doesn't take much time for it to grill.
if
So
you
now that it's almost
show
done,
your talent,
I'll be adding a little bit
come to
of
show and tell.
chili pepper for taste, for extra heat,
And you want showcase,
just a little
come
bit.
to show and tell. If you got skills, if you got talent, if you want showcase it, come
So
to
while the
show and
sauce is grilling, I already have my pasta here boiled,
if you got talent, if you
and
want
I'm just going to pound it for a little bit
come to show and tell. Come to show and tell.
because I want this one to have more flavors. I'll be adding more garlic to it because I feel like the one I added is not enough.
$1,000. Winner. Come to show and tell.
As you can see, the garlic is the sauce now is almost properly cooked. So I'll be taking this front out because it's already done. Now this is how.
Got that talent or some crazy skills. If you need this,
So this is what you can do if you don't have a cooking cream in your house.
come to show and tell. Talent if you got skills.
Cream in your house. So now I'll be going in with my milk.
And you want show.
This is
Come to
this is
show.
powdered milk already put in a liquid. So I'm going in with my milk now.
Got talent. If you want showcase it, come to show and tell. If you got skills, if you got talent, if you want showcase it, come to show and tell. Come to show and tell. Show and tell.
As you can see, the cream is almost ready.
You could be a winner.
So now I'll be adding more seasoning cubes.
Come to show and
I'll be adding more seasoning cubes for taste. Because
if you got that talent or some crazy skills,
and this is it.
if you need
So you don't want to let this warm.
talent to the world,
So like this is probably the creamy pasta is ready. And it's like this because we use a home, we make the cream from scratch.
if you got skills, if you got talent, if you want showcase it, come to show and tell. If you got skills, if you got talent, if you want showcase it, come to show and tell. Come to show and tell. Show and tell. Show and tell. You could be a winner. $2,000.
So now we're topping in this with, I will try to place it with, this is a fresh parsley, and also I'll be topping in, so this is what we have.